Hi friends, I just wanted to share what I'm up to right now. Right now I have these folded and sewn fabric. That's going to be the pleats. I'm going to add some lace to this, and that's what's going to be on the sleeves. But what happened was I came up 5 inches short, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stick this here into this other piece and stitch it down, and then I'll have one running piece, and I'm going to do the same here. This is an extra piece because these are 30 inches and all I have right now is 70, and I need an extra 15 inches, so I'm going to have this as a running piece, and then I'll do the pleats on the sleeve, and then I'll cut it off once I've got both of the sleeve pleats done. So I hope that's not confusing. But before I sew this, I want to make sure that this other part will be able to fit into it. So I went ahead and marked it here with a pin, and then I slipped it in to see if it did fit. It does. So I'm going to go to this machine and give this a quarter seam, and then I'll turn it right side out, and then stick this in there, and then go ahead and tack it. And then when I'm ready to do the sleeves, I'll go ahead and show you. So when I'm done adding this other piece, it'll be 90 inches. This is 4 yards of the, for the bottom of the dress. And this is what I was talking about when you have a long piece consecutive like this. You would want to roll it and then iron it. And then when you go to the machine, you don't need any needles. You're just able to run it right through and give it a nice clean seam. So that's what I got going with the ruffles. And like I said, right now I'm just doing shorts on how to make the components, but when I actually make the piece, I hope to share that with you. So I have the strips ready. I added the lace, and now I'm adding the pleats. And this is what it looks like on the back side, and this is what it looks like on the front side. And I'm going ahead and pleat it now, and then I'll just sew it onto the sleeve. And this way, the width of the cut is 9 inches, so I have more than that. And then I'll put that on the sleeve and show you what it looks like on the sleeve finished. So I'm going to show you on this part right here where I added more fabric, how even though this is the front, you won't even see it when I get over to that point. And I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm coming up to it right here. So I'm going to make this bit right here. And then I'm just going to take this like this and cover right up. And I can make my next pleat. And the next pleat. And just keep on going until I get to the end. So I just have a few more to go. So I finished sewing the pleats on the strip for the sleeves, and out of 90 inches we've got a yard, 36 inches. So we'll go ahead and divide it, and each sleeve will have 18 inches. So the next time we'll go ahead and attach the sleeve and see if we've put enough fabric together or how it comes out. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye for now.